Try and guess where I'm going. I have my makeup done. My hair is in a little ponytail with a cap. And I have comfortable clothes on. I'm also preparing to grab some snacks. And I may need to order some food where I'm going. Let's see if you guess. If it helps you guess, I'm in Harlem. If that helps any. For those of you that guessed right, I am getting my hair braided. I'm a little anxious to see how it will turn out just because my hair is cut very bluntly. The weather here in New York has been horrible. Like, everyone's getting sick. It's not the wave. It even has the logo on the cup. I love that. I don't think I've ever been to a braiding salon where they wash your hair. Most places when you get your hair braided, they want you to come wash and dry. So that gets brownie points from me. It's wash time.
Is it too hot?
No. I like my water hot though. I'm all washed. Now we're doing the blow dry. You guys aren't playing with the Dysons either. They're not playing here. Okay. My little curls. Time to start braiding. This is my braiding hair. It's like super duper blonde. We are, what is this? Maybe a third of the way through. It is like super duper blonde. So we're adding some more brownie bits. And I hope that I haven't made the wrong choice by doing that. But I just wanted it to have a little bit more dimension. So we'll see. I just got really hungry, so I think I'm back to grab some food. This place is so gorgeous. Like, every time I turn around, there's like another detail. Like, how cute is this little button up? This is the colour we're going to incorporate. Just a little bit of a less bright blonde. So we'll see how it turns out. I DoorDashed this food like well over an hour ago. I got some soup and 2 dumplings. They're so small. These little mini dumplings. I am struggling to stay awake right now. But what's crazy is that we started my hair at 12. I want to say, is it 12 or 11? Hold on, let me not tell any fibs. My hair braiding started at 11. It's now 4 o'clock, so that's 5 hours. I really didn't expect to be out of here until like late, like the night. But it's just her on her own. She's braiding really fast. And I'm really excited because I think it's going to look amazing. I just need to try and stay awake. It was that food. I got that soup and those dumplings. They put me out. On our last little section. I'm so excited. The vibes going. That's something that has definitely not ended. Let's braid. I can't believe you made it here. These parts are so neat. Now, of course, if you get braids, you know this is not the end. Okay? I think she's braided all of them down, but we're gonna need to dip them. I learned a long time ago, probably when I was a little girl, don't get excited when the last braid is happening, because it's not the end. It's that time. It's dipping time. I'm so excited. This colour is it for me. Getting ready to dip. We've got all our things. Let me put this down before I burn myself. We are officially done. This colour, I wouldn't normally go for it, but I tell you, this just might be the new colour. Jolly damn. Okay, I'm gonna go home to my husband. I left at, I wanna say just before, no, I left at about 8 o'clock. So I've been out for nearly 11 hours. So let me take my behind home. Jump scare. See if you can guess where I'm going now. It is just after 8 p.m. I'm in the car. No makeup on, and I took my lashes off. Yeah, so where am I going? I'm supposed to be, okay, so it's 8:09. I'm supposed to arrive at 8:28. I'll let you dwell on that. Why did I go to the wrong location? Wow, okay, so it's gonna take me like 10 minutes. And I was wondering like, why is it taking me so long to get there? But now we know why. Now we know why. All right, let me go. I paid for parking and everything. I just got here to the right place and I'm waiting to be seen, so at least I'm in the right place this time. I'm in my room and one of the add-ons I did was an under eye depuffer, which I really need. I don't get a lot of sleep. So I took it off because I was late, but then I got here and they said it's fine. So we're gonna put it back to this facial. I brought my camera back to life and this is what an extraction facial leaves you with. My forehead is the worst. And then she got around my nose. You know, I forgot I was making this into a guessing thing. For those who guessed, I was getting a facial. The place I go for my facials is called Silver Mirror. I specifically go to the, well, usually I go to the Bryant Park location and that's why my GPS took me there. But today I went to the Lexington Ave location and I think I prefer it. The esthetician was amazing. She just understood my skin. So I think I'm just gonna keep going back there. I've got an appointment set up for when I come back from my vacation. I think I'm gonna need a hydrating facial, so that's what I booked in advance. Project to get this skin on track. It's not a sprint, it's a marathon. I gotta keep working at it, gotta keep my skincare routine up at home. My next beauty treatment is in the morning at 10 a.m. So I'm gonna have some tea and I'm gonna go to sleep. I don't wanna be a player no more. I'm not a player. Alright, so this feels like deja vu, doesn't it? Third day in a row, I'm out on my beauty treatments. Believe me when I say I don't even come outside like this. 3 days in a row going outside is insane for me personally, and if you know me, you'll be like, girl, what are you doing? Get back in the house. Again, I didn't get any sleep, look. So next beauty treatment, I am on my way to BK, Brooklyn. I had to shave my legs first. So that's the hint for today. All I know is when I'm done, I'm heading home and I'm jumping right in the bed. I'm taking a nap. I deserve. Probably got about maybe 2 hours of sleep. That's being generous. God help me. I just got here and they have an actual bar menu, which is something I'd never seen before. So of course, I had to get some tea. You guessed it, I'm getting my nails done. They're a mess, so let's do it. Prep is done. 100 times better. I'm just gonna pinch the nail tech's phone. This is the inspo. I did ask if I could just get like a more pink brown base. That one's really like cream, really light. They also gave me snacks. This is like one of my favorite chocolates and cookies. They knew I was coming and they got the snacks ready. Time to do designs, and the base that we're working with is immaculate. Are you kidding me? That's perfect. My nails are done. I'm absolutely in love with them. It's like a messy French chrome. We've moved over to the pedicure area. The party goes on. So for my toes, I'm gonna get the same base color, this one, but I'm gonna get a white French. And I'm kind of embarrassed because I haven't had a pedicure in a really long time. And it shows. How rude of me. Yesterday, after my nails were done, I literally flew out that door. I got some food, came home, ate, and took a nap. Just like I said. Nails are done, absolutely love them. Oh my gosh. You can't come with me for this one. And it's because I'm going to get my wax. And I don't think anybody wants to see that. I actually don't think they let you record in there. I think I tried to do that once before. I'm just looking at my skin from my facial and I'm a little bit upset because these are from the extraction and I've got the scars. And then I'm also gonna get my brows done later as well. Just get them cleaned up. Pray for me. I'm dreading it. All right, here we go. I'm gonna do my lashes. And this is the last part of my maintenance routine. I've only got 10 minutes to do these. It has the seal, glue, and tweezers and all the different sizes. I usually do these a completely different way. Like usually I'll put the glue on the lashes themselves, but I don't have time for that today. I'm gonna be using 13s, 12s, 11s, and 10s. And I just took off this whole piece of gold nail with the tweezer. Oh my gosh. Now we can use the seal, which is the other side of the bond. This actually wraps up my maintenance routine. So had I had the time to do this from home, then I would have been all done, but I didn't. Better late than never though.